Then the iScrub 26H, this is very good for doing tabletops, smaller surfaces, chalkboards, whiteboards. Also has a black light built into it. What that is designed for is we first do the cleaning and then turn on the light and we can check our work. So it's very nice for the worker to be able to check what they're doing and make sure that the bacteria is gone from the surfaces. With i-fibre, the nice thing about the two different sizes is it really gives you an option of what you're cleaning. If you're doing larger areas, you're going to use this type of size mop. And the iScrub 26H mop is again designed for smaller surfaces. Both of them are pocket systems. The nice thing about the pocket system is you don't have to touch the back side of the mop, which is of course dirty after you're doing your cleaning. The iScrub 26H also has a scraper built into the front of it. So when we put this onto the mop pad, we can scrape, here you can see, scraping tabletops. So if you have dried on food or gum, you can easily scrape it off like that. The i-fibre cloth, the nice thing about this is it fits the size of your hands. And so you can do uneven surfaces like faucets, sinks, and so forth. We pre-treat all of the mops, cloths, and pads in the pre-treat buckets. So both the cloth and the iScrub 26H pad can go into the buckets and be pre-treated.